6 gentle tips to help adults over 60 choose fish that feel comfortable and easy to enjoy. Fish is one of the most comforting foods we can add to our meals as we grow older. Its soft texture, light flavor, and versatility make it a favorite for many adults over 60. Whether it is baked, steamed, grilled, or added into warm soups, fish brings a sense of nourishment that feels simple and satisfying. But as the years pass, our taste preferences shift. Our digestion changes slightly. Our energy levels guide us toward foods that feel lighter, easier, and more calming. This does not mean we must avoid certain fish. Instead, it means we can choose fish in ways that support comfort, enjoyment, and a more relaxed eating experience. Today we will explore 6 gentle tips to help adults over 60 choose and enjoy fish with ease. These tips are not warnings. They are not restrictions. They are simply thoughtful suggestions that help your meals feel smoother, calmer, and more aligned with what your body appreciates now. Let us begin. Tip 1. Choose textures that feel soothing and easy to chew. As we grow older, softer textures often become more enjoyable. Some fish have naturally tender flakes that fall apart easily. Others have firmer structures that may require more chewing or feel heavier at certain times of day. The goal is not to avoid any specific type of fish, but to choose textures that feel comfortable for you. Soft, gentle options include salmon, tilapia, cod, trout, haddock. These fish tend to flake easily when cooked, making them pleasant for both lunch and dinner. If you enjoy firmer textures, fish like mahi-mahi or tuna steaks can still be excellent choices when cut into smaller pieces or cooked in a moist method such as steaming or baking with broth. You know your body best. If a certain texture feels too firm today, you can always adjust it next time. Comfort is the priority. Tip 2. Prepare fish in ways that feel light and gentle. The way you cook your fish has a big impact on how it feels in your body. Some cooking styles create meals that feel heavy, while others create meals that feel soothing and easy to digest. Gentle preparation methods include steaming with herbs, baking with a light drizzle of olive oil, poaching in broth, grilling with soft seasoning, adding to vegetable soups. These methods help fish maintain moisture and softness, which many older adults find comforting. If fried fish was once a favorite, you can still enjoy a similar flavor by lightly brushing fish with oil, seasoning it gently, and baking it until the edges are crisp. This keeps the spirit of the dish while making it lighter on your body. Small adjustments in preparation can make familiar meals feel new again. Tip 3. Begin with smaller portions and listen to your body. One of the simplest habits that supports comfort is eating smaller portions of fish at a time. Large servings may feel heavy, especially late in the day, but small servings feel refreshing and satisfying. Instead of eating a large fillet, consider half portions, fish added into soups, fish mixed with rice or vegetables, fish flaked into salads. This allows you to enjoy the flavor and nourishment of fish without feeling overly full. After 60, many adults discover that their body responds best to meals that are calm, gentle, and evenly spaced throughout the day. When you eat slowly and observe how your body feels, you naturally begin choosing portions that support your comfort. Tip 4. Pair fish with foods that help your meal feel balanced. Fish combines beautifully with ingredients that bring softness, freshness, and grounding energy to the plate. Pairing fish with tender vegetables, grains, or light sauces creates a balanced meal that feels welcoming to the body. Comforting pairings include salmon with roasted carrots, tilapia with steamed green beans, cod with mashed potatoes, trout with rice and soft herbs, haddock with warm lentils, fish soups with leafy greens. These combinations support gentle digestion and a calm eating experience. The goal is to feel satisfied, not pressured or overly full. Choosing the right pairing is not about nutrition rules. It is about harmony on the plate. When flavors feel balanced, your meal becomes more enjoyable from the first bite to the last. Tip 5. Try different fish to discover which ones fit your taste now. Your preferences today may not be the same as they were 20 years ago. This is normal. As we age, our sense of taste, smell, and texture sensitivity naturally evolve. Some seniors find that fish they once enjoyed now feels too oily or too firm. Others discover new favorites they never considered before. You might enjoy mild-flavored fish on slower days, richer fish when you want something satisfying, a white fish when you want something soft and simple. flavorful fish when you want a more vibrant meal. Exploring a few varieties helps you learn what your body appreciates most right now. You may even find that certain fish feel better at certain times of the day, lighter fish for lunch, heartier fish for dinner. There is no right or wrong, only what feels good today. Tip 6. Add fish into meals you already love. You do not need to build new routines to enjoy fish. You can simply add fish into meals you already enjoy. If you like warm soups, add flaked white fish. If you enjoy rice dishes, mix in soft salmon pieces. If salads are a favorite, add light tuna or trout. If sandwiches comfort you, add thin fish slices with soft herbs. This approach keeps your meals familiar while gently increasing the variety and comfort of what you eat. Fish becomes a natural part of your day rather than a meal you must plan separately. Many older adults find that this small shift makes eating fish feel effortless, a natural moment of connection. If these gentle suggestions help you feel more confident about choosing fish, you are not alone. Many adults over 60 discover that their relationship with food becomes softer and more intuitive as they age. It is less about rules and more about comfort, less about what you should do and more about what feels good to your body. You are not restricting yourself. You are adapting in a way that honors your experience, your wisdom, and your well-being. A soft closing message. Food is not just nourishment. It is comfort, memory, warmth, and connection. And as you grow older, the foods you choose should bring you peace, not stress. Fish can remain a beautiful part of your meals after 60. With gentle textures, lighter preparation, smaller portions, thoughtful pairings, and curious exploration, you can continue enjoying fish in ways that feel kind to your body. You deserve meals that feel easy. You deserve routines that help you feel supported. And you deserve to enjoy your food without fear or pressure. Thank you for taking this moment to care for yourself. May your next meal bring comfort, satisfaction, and calm.